All right, guys, we got a 2010 Audi A4, and this car's sweet. It's been well taken care of. Interior is great. 18-inch tires, original rims, and we'll go over it just here a little bit and let you see it. Like I said, Audi A10. This model was a pretty good model, and held up well, good on gas. And I'll have all the details, as always, in the listing. Sunroof on this one, everything works. No engine lights at all. It's got, I think, 5% or 3% tint. I can't remember, but it's tinted all the way around except for front, obviously. And we'll go over the mileage here in just a second, but it's a very clean car. It's got some dings here and there, and I've indicated those in the listing. But other than that, those are cosmetic. Other than the dings, I'll show you here on the front. Right there, the paint. And I think one other one is where it's peeling. That just comes from debris hitting that spoiler kit. A buggy hit that in the corner and it cracked that window, or cracked that headlight. But everything's good on this car. Like I said, transmission's good, engine's good. We're gonna get in and start it up and let you hit the engine, see the inside. This one does come with the original manuals, and you'll see a picture of those in a minute. In the trunk area, that's the door panels. No door panels are coming off. Everything is clean. It smells great in here. And we'll get in and start it up. Let you see the inside. Oops. This one does have 165K on it, as you can see. Like I said, very clean in the inside. Very clean. AC works, heat works. AC's blowing already. There's your sunroof, which actually works. See it moving back and forth. Right, we'll leave that open. The cool thing about this one too is the back seats fold down, which is absolutely awesome, because if you're carrying something, you know, you want to have the seats go down. It's always a good thing. There's the middle console armrest thing. Automatic. I believe this one's a V6, but don't quote me on that. It's definitely a gas saver. And we'll show you the back seat, and we'll also show you seats that go down. No rips in this leather. It's been well taken care of, like I said. And here's where the seats go down. There's the trunk area, back up. And both sides go down, as a matter of fact. So we'll close that back up and show you the engine. And I did just start it up, so we'll hear it running. No ticks, no smoke. I'll show you the muffler area, the exhaust area, and show you there's no ticks, no valve ticking, no sticking. I don't smell any exhaust or oil burn. And what you might hear is the AC blowing. That's in that area. But that is the Audi engine. We'll close it up and go around to the back. New filter. This does have a new water pump. I forgot about that. Water pump was changed. All that stuff in the front was redone. Here's the back. There, you hear it. Once again, 2010 Audi A4 2.0T. Great car, great gas saver. We priced it good for tax season. If you want to buy it just for the A to B, Google, Lyft, Uber Eats, that kind of thing. What a great car. Back to school, that kind of stuff. Great A to B car. Troy Barzilla, ZillaMates. Feel free to call me if you're interested. 980-729-4991. Thanks as always.